Experience didn't expire. The marketplace just forgot how to use it. And if you're over 50, you've likely felt that sting. But here's the truth. In a world drowning in speed, wisdom is the lifeboat. Let's talk about why your experience matters now more than ever, and how to make it pay. We live in a move fast and break things economy. Startups are obsessed with velocity, short-form content, instant results, AI doing in seconds what once took months. But here's what no one tells you. Speed without judgment is just noise. The marketplace is in a rush. But at what cost? You, on the other hand, bring something they can't buy or fake. Discernment, pattern recognition, and calm under pressure. What's starting to shift? People are realizing that speed doesn't always mean better. We're seeing more leaders craving stability, real insight, and trusted advice. That's where you come in. Your judgment, built over decades, is your unfair advantage. It helps you see risks others ignore. It helps you stay grounded while others chase trends. And that judgment? It's more valuable than ever in business, in leadership, in life. Let's get tactical. Here are 3 areas where being over 50 gives you the edge. 1. Coaching and consulting. People will pay for your perspective. 2. Online business and teaching. Courses, ebooks, workshops. 3. Niche expertise, solving old problems in new ways. And remember, the online space is wide open for you, especially in work from home and hybrid models. You don't need to go viral. You need to go valuable. Too often, people over 50 feel like their skills are behind the times. But most platforms today are tools, not gatekeepers. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You need a clear offer and a confident voice. The new economy rewards those who can blend experience with clarity, and if you've been through layoffs, pivots, or reinventions, you're not behind, you're battle-tested. Here's your playbook. Repackage your knowledge. Find a niche hungry for wisdom. Stay curious, but don't chase every trend. Use AI and tech as helpers, not hurdles. Your goal isn't to retire quietly. Your goal is to step into purposeful income and freedom after 50. Download the 50+ Freedom Blueprint below. It's your guide to turning your experience into income, with clarity, not complexity. And hey, you've earned this next chapter. Let's make it count.